Science!
Oh.
Woo! Science! Hey kids, I'm Professor Marbles. Today we're gonna make a volcano. Like any science experiment, make sure you do it in a safe environment. So we're gonna head outside. Who's that? Oh my gosh. Right, that's today. Oh shoot. Okay, give me a minute. All right, we're outside. I've got my gloves and eye protection on. We got our volcano ready. I've already put the baking soda in there. Now we're just gonna add the vinegar. And here we go.
No!
Woo! That's a volcano. That's a good one. Oops. Let's try that again. So we've got our volcano. I've got my protection on. Let's add the vinegar.
Wait, what? Not again!
Please, don't worry, Don. I added more Mentos. Here we go.
No!
Woo! Woo! Oh shoot! Woo! Hot dog! Would you look at that? Look at her go! Science! Whoa! Look at it go! Science! Thanks for watching. That's the end of today's experiment. Always remember to look for the science around you, and I'll see you next time.
Metamorphic heat and pressure, sedimentary erosion and weather, igneous, red-hot magma cooled.